In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on your Ford Focus. This will be located on the side of the exhaust manifold. Let's get started. Disconnect the Upstream O2 sensor connector, push on this top button, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Looking up from the bottom of the car on the passenger side, look on the side of the manifold, and you'll find the O2 sensor. Using a 22mm socket or wrench, remove the O2 sensor. Remove the O2 sensor. Install the new sensor. Torque the sensor to 35 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Push the connector up towards the top of the vehicle. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.